morning, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about a very interesting topic, so stay tuned. Okay guys, have you ever heard about verbs that act as nouns? I am sure many of you haven't. So in this video, I am going to discuss about verbs that act like nouns and they are known as gerunds or the pseudo verb. What is a gerund? Now observe this example. Swimming is a great workout, reading improves vocabulary, dancing makes me happy. Now all these words, swimming, reading, dancing, you can notice is ending in ing word, but are placed at the top of the sentence, very first of the sentence. So these words, swimming, reading, dancing, ending in ing word, these are known as gerunds. They act like noun in the sentence but appear as verbs. It plays a crucial role in sentence construction. Gerund is a form of verb by adding ing to the base form of a verb such as running, reading or swimming. The role of gerunds in sentences. Gerund can function in various ways within a sentence. They can act as subject, object or complements. Now how can gerund act as subject in a sentence? Let us see. When a gerund function as subject of a sentence is take the place of a noun. For example, swimming is my favorite activity. Here swimming is placed at the very first in the sentence. Okay, so here swimming is playing the role of a noun. And we know that subject can be noun or pronoun. So swimming here is the subject. Gerund as a subject. Next is gerund as object. Gerund often serve as direct or indirect object of verb. She enjoys reading novels. If I ask what she enjoys, so answer will be she enjoys reading novels. So reading is the object and gerund is ing word and it is playing as object in the sentence. Next is gerund as object of prepositions. So gerund frequently appear after preposition. Preposition are the words that link a verb and a pronoun. She is good at painting. Painting follows the preposition at. Some common prepositions that precede gerunds include about, before, after, by, in, on, with, etc. Now next is gerunds as subject complements. A gerund can also act as a subject complement after a linking verb like is, was or becomes. Example, his hobby is gardening. Gardening complements the subject hobby. Gerund versus present participle. A common confusion arises between gerunds and present participles while both end in ing. Their function differ. Gerund function as a noun, whereas present participle function as an adjective or help form verb tenses. She is dancing gracefully. Gerund phrase. What is a gerund phrase? A gerund phrase consists of gerund and any modifiers or object related to it. Writing long essay requires patience. Writing long essays is the subject of the sentence and it is a gerund phrase. Common mistake with gerunds. Confusing gerund with infinitive. Some verb require gerunds while other need infinitive. Infinitive 2 plus verb base form. She enjoys swimming is the correct versus she enjoys to swim is incorrect. Using possessive pronouns incorrectly. When using a gerund, the subject should be in a possessive form. Correct. I appreciate your helping me. And I appreciate you helping me is the incorrect. Now there is a small exercise for you all. You have to comment your answer down below the comment box. So quickly comment your answers and let me know how you have liked this video. Find the gerund in each sentence. Swimming is my favorite hobby. She enjoys reading before bed. Running every morning keeps me healthy. They discuss traveling to Europe. His job involves designing websites. So